Hello friends, in new sessions we try to learn 3D sketch, so fasten your seatbelts for new experiences. In 2D sketch we learn about create, modify, pattern and constrain branch. Now turn is for 3D. At first we draw a shape like this. For example, we draw this one. And we want, for remember last session, extend this one. We say equal these two lines, again these two lines, horizontal this line, and put middle of this line between this line. Okay, now when we finish a sketch like this, when we want to go to 3D, we should click on this green tick named finish sketch. Click on it, and now we are in 3D environment. Again, like 2D, we have create branch, modify branch and pattern branch and etc. The first order in create branch is extrude. We open it and a window like this is front us. In input geometry we choose profile, because here we have just one profile, automatically it has selected. And in behavior, here we can have direction and distance. In direction we can have this shape in left or in right, or symmetric, that we have the same distance in left and right. We can see here 10 millimeters, so from here to here it's 5 millimeters, and here to here 5 millimeters. And these ones, by using this one we can have two varied distance. For example, we make this one 15 in left and 3 millimeters in right, we can see. Okay, if we want to make a change for our profile, we discover extrusion in model browsers and click on it, and we can make change, for example 15 to 20 and 5 to 9 millimeters, and okay. Now we made a change on our geometry. It was extrude join. Now think we want to have a hole at the middle of this geometry. Now we are in 3D environment. We should select a 2D sketch, so we click here in start 2D sketch and choose favorite face, for example this one. Now we are in 2D sketch. For having a hole at the middle of this shape, we should draw a circle at first. Give dimension, for example 10 millimeters, and now we should use constraint that talk about in previous session. Vertical constraint for 2 point, collinear them, and it's at middle of this shape. We are in 2D sketch. For going to 3D we finish a sketch. Okay, now we are in 3D environment again, and again click on extrude. Here we have a new icon, output, because we have two geometry. We have output 2, and here we can join this shape, we can cut, we can intersect, and new solid. We learn about join. If we this circle join to this shape, but we want hole, so click on extrusion 3 and cut it. When we cut it, we can have hole. By dimension we can here write dimension, or say that we want through all. By using this icon we can have hole by distance, or using through all icon that make entire hole. Let's see. Okay, if we draw this shape, if we rotate it, we can see entire hole in our geometry. Okay, or for example we don't want entire circle, we can have distance. We change it, for example 12 millimeters. We can have hole from this face and no entire hole. Okay, we are at the end of another session of Inventor Mechanisms channel. We can see in 3D model we have more attractive orders and we can feel them. So for being us, if you didn't subscribe us till here, please subscribe our channel for better education and turn on the notifications for the next video. Comment our videos, like our videos, share our channel to your friends. Have a nice day, friends. Help us, stay with us.